Hey guys, in this video we are going to look at how to perform reflections. So in our diagram up here, I've got a quadrilateral shown on this side, I've got a reflection line, and I've got the reflected image of that quadrilateral shown on the other side of the reflection line. So this reflection line acts kind of like a mirror. Okay, we're going to get the exact same shape on the other side. It's going to be flipped over, but it's going to be the same distance away from the mirror on each side. So we're going to try an example together. It says reflect the following shape. So we've got our triangle ABC on this side. We've got our reflection line here. So we know that our image is going to end up on this side of the line over here, and it's going to be flipped over. Okay. So step number one says draw construction lines from each vertex. The line should be perpendicular to the reflection line and extend through it. So as soon as we see perpendicular, that means we're going to have to form a right angle with our reflection line. Okay, so to do that, just like when we did translations, I'm going to line up one of the longer lines on my ruler, so say the line for 8 centimeters. I'm going to line that up along the reflection line so that I know I'm creating a right angle between the reflection line and the edge of my ruler. So I'm going to line that up, and then I'm going to slide my ruler up till I hit one of my vertices. And I'm going to draw some nice light construction lines here. So when you're drawing your construction lines, you want to press as lightly as you can with your pencil. You just barely want to see them on the page. Okay, so I've got my construction lines drawn. Next, I'm going to measure the distance between each vertex. So say for point C, I'll measure the distance away from the reflection line, so how far away from the mirror I am. And then I'm going to measure that same distance on the other side, and that's where I'll draw my new point. So for C, it looks like I'm 1.1 centimeters away. So I'm going to line up my 0 line. I'm going to move 1.1 centimeters right here. And that's going to become C prime. For my next point, point B. So it looks like I'm at 0.9 centimeters. So I measure 0.9 centimeters on the other side of the reflection line, and I'm going to call that B prime. Last but not least, we'll look at point A. So it looks like we're 1.5 centimeters away. I'm going to go 1.5 centimeters on this side and draw point A prime. So finally, I'm going to connect these points to form my new triangle. So you can see that I've reflected the image of this triangle from one side of the mirror to the other side of the mirror. Okay, past our reflection line here. So each point, point B and point B prime, should be the same distance away from that reflection line.